unboxing video of 3 replacement batteries for a 4K Ultra HD action camera. It's supposed to have 3 batteries in it, 2 battery quick charger, and probably a charging cord in it. It comes boxed like this. It come in within less than a week, and look at all we got in here. We got that is a really nice charging cord. It is a micro USB charging cord, but it's a heavy duty cord, so that is a plus. Most of them come with a real thin cord. A little charger. It charges 2 batteries at once. It's got a little indicator light here on both sides. When it tells you if they're charged or not, it will be red when they're charging, and blue or green whenever they get fully charged. Then I received 3 replacement batteries for the camera. These are the smaller batteries. They are a 900 milliamp battery. They're still a 3.7 volt, but they're only 900 milliamp, so they don't stay up near as long as the bigger batteries. But on different action cameras, you have to buy the battery, whichever battery comes with it, that's the battery you have to buy with it. Thank you for watching.